Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's wonderful to see you all here. As you know, and I'm sure you're used to, let's start with a moment of silence. All right, thank you very much. So, welcome to our winter assembly. It's great to see so many of you here. We have a great program here. The next 7 hours are all about your lovely children and their music performance. So please stay seated for the duration of the show. Actually, all right, we have 45 minutes of music planned for you. But do remain seated just so that you get to see everybody. And we're going to go from seniors down all the way to the first graders. Our music program here at Oak Grove School, I want to tell you a little bit about it so you really understand what we do here. Is an experiential, inclusive program. Now, all our students, regardless of age or ability level, get to play music and then perform at this assembly. Our focus is on music understanding, on the process of making music, and so not only on the performance. All of our students, starting already in first grade actually, are exposed to music theory, and that is really at the core of our program. Our early elementary students, they explore performance through movement, through dance, and through voice. And as they develop skills with notation, with ear training, and with fine motor movements, they begin to incorporate more sophisticated instruments into their work. Now, by 5th grade, students pick up an instrument, and they are able to play or practice with pianos, guitars, and other chromatic instruments. At all ages, music provides us, all of us really, with the opportunity to discover our feelings, to explore cooperative processes, and to develop neural pathways that connect both hemispheres of the brain, something I am always in need of because, you know, I'm just lopsided really. And really at Oak Grove School then, music practice is a crucial process in the development of the whole child. So what you will see, this is sort of behind it, and this is our philosophy of the program. So with that, let's move on to the music part of our program, and I would like to invite our seniors to join us. Ladies and gentlemen. This is very exciting for our seniors to stand here. They just got out of a final, so please, please, please. Be kind to them. They did not just get out of a final, they also are going to India soon. And in India, they will, at each of the 3 schools they will be visiting, our sister schools there, they will present themselves and they will play some songs. So for them, this is a little bit of a rehearsal for that. They would like to just introduce themselves to you and then sing 2 songs. And if I'm not mistaken, We Are Gonna Be Friends by the White Stripes. And then Submarines by the Lumineers. So that's all I will have to say. Over to our seniors. Thank you, guys.
My name is Jagdeep. I've been over for 3 years. I like playing soccer and tennis. And my interest for Indian is the religion.
I'm Seamus. And I've been at Oak Grove for 5 years now. And I like journaling and playing music in my spare time. And I'm really excited to go to India because I love meeting new people and I love Indian food.
Hi, I'm Sean and I'm from South Korea. I've been here for 3 years and I'm really interested in business major. And I'm actually hearing from 2 colleges today, University of Illinois and Babson College. I'm kind of nervous, but I hope I could get it.
My name is Mickey Fenneru. I've been Oak Grove for the past 5 years. I have an interest in media, and my top college is in UIUC, which is in Illinois.
Hi, my name is John. I've been at Oak Grove for 5 years. I'm interested in studying business, and my top college is Bennington.
Hi, my name is Emily. I've been at Oak Grove since kindergarten. I'm really excited for India, especially the music and art. And next year I'll be taking a gap year and then studying visual art and science.
Hi, my name is Raksha. I was actually here in preschool, and I left and I came back for high school. Best decision. I'm really interested in writing, and I'm going to be studying communications and rhetoric. And I just heard back from my first college yesterday, and I got it.
My name is Tassie. This is my 11th year at Oak Grove. I applied to 10 colleges. My top choice is Boston University. I'm really excited to go to India and experience all the different aspects of culture there.
I'm Ben. I've been at Oak Grove for 6 years on and off, and I enjoy soccer and sleeping.
My name's Jack. I've been at Oak Grove for 8 years. I just finished applying to colleges all across the West Coast, and I plan on studying business.
Hi, my name is Dylan. I've been at Oak Grove also since kindergarten. I just finished applying to many colleges, and I'm interested in studying aeronautical engineering.
Hi, my name is Makani. I've been at Oak Grove for 8 years. I'm really excited to go to college, and I'm going to study psychology and international relations. My name is Bailey, and I've been at Oak Grove since 7th grade. And I'm really excited to go to India because I've never been out of the country, and something I like to do in my spare time is play music.
Hi, I'm Leah. This is my 7th year at Oak Grove, and I'm really excited for India because I'm really excited to experience a culture that's so different than mine.
My name is Maddie. I have been at Oak Grove for 8 years. I'm really interested in music, and that's part of why I'm really excited to go to India to see like the art, music, and food and culture there because I haven't traveled that much. So yeah. And I just wanted to say we picked this song to sing in India because we just really like the message, and it's about like growing up, and we've all pretty much grown up together, and we just want to share it. And if you know the words, feel free to sing along.
I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Walk with me, Susie Lee, through the park and by the tree. We will rest on the ground and look at all the bugs we found. Safely walk to school without a sound. Safely walk to school without a sound. Clean up and now it's time to learn. Numbers, letters, learn to spell, nouns and books and show and tell. Playtime we will throw the ball, back to class, through the hall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. We sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes the way you sing. Tonight I'll dream in my bed, silly thoughts go through my head about the bugs and alphabets. And when I wake tomorrow, I'll bet you and I will walk together again. tell that we are gonna be friends.
Everybody.
I can tell that we are gonna be friends.
Okay. Also, Heena's here now. So this is a song that we actually did in music class. That we're not going to be doing this one in India, but we thought we'd share it also. I believe submarines underneath deep blue seas. Saw the flags, Japanese. No one will believe me. Ran back to the town bar and I told the people how I had seen the submarines and everyone laughed aloud. I did spy periscopes dead of night on the eastern coast. The police made them jokes, told me I'd seen a ghost. Everyone thinks I'm a liar, no one knows the truth. There was a bigger fire, I would be on the ships will rise, rolling in. No one tries what I say. Oh my God, no one pays. Overnight my hair turned gray. In the end it boils down to credibility. Oh, I have learned, so I'll die with the secrets of the
All right, so that was a great start. Our seniors, they are representing really the high school. So now we're going to our junior high school, and with us we have Fliss and Zella, who will introduce to you the songs that will be played. Over to you.
Thank you. This fall, our junior high chose two songs, Malagueña and Dona Nobis Pacham.
Both are anonymous, traditional tunes.
Malagueña is a Spanish song with a strong Moorish influence.
Dona Nobis is a Latin text with a Northern European settings. Both are in the key of C.
Both are very, very old and very, very different.
So let's put our hands together for the junior high.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our junior high, and we are now moving on to our 6th grade. And here to introduce the song that will be played is Zeph. You can go. Welcome, Zeph. Thank you.
For their classic unit, 6th graders chose an expert from Verdi's opera Rigoletto. They will be performing an instrumental version of La Donna e Mobile.
say too that we're going to have a couple of featured soloists on the song. We'll hear one from Sarah and one from Mikkel, one from Aiden, and one from Ben. You got to look way in the back to see Ben well.
We are moving on to our lovely fifth graders. And here to introduce the song that will be played are Dinky and Liliana. Please welcome them.
This year's fifth graders had the benefits of learning ukuleles last year in fourth grade.
Our transition to pianos and guitars was greatly facilitated by our familiarity with notation and development of fine motor control. Students chose an ambitious choice for their classical unit.
The Blue Danube Waltz by Strauss.
Yeah.
right, now before we go to our fourth graders, we're going to do a little change up on the stage. I'd just like to let you know what to do after this show. We ask you to please go to your child's classroom where you can pick them up and all their stuff. And then make your way over to the gazebo for our student holiday market. Now this is something we've never done before, and I'm quite proud of our students. Because it's really the first time we've had a student-driven holiday market. Really, all our students came up with their own products. They, in many cases, made those products. They priced them, and they even designed some of them. Both our student councils and the high school clubs are trying to raise money for various causes. The high school student council is raising money for a water bottle refill station on our campus, so you will be supporting that. And our elementary student council is raising money to support 2 students to go to a school in India called Prashanti School, and they are trying to raise money for their tuition. And then finally, the clubs are trying to raise money for their field trips and all sorts of other causes. So please support our students and spend. I hope you brought your wallet. So that will happen after the show. Now we are moving on to the 4th graders. So perhaps give them a warm round of applause already. And here to introduce the song are Chance and Matson.
Fourth graders have introduced ukuleles to our music practice this fall. We start by practicing simple melodies 1 finger at a time. Chords require several fingers at once.
In many ways, it's more difficult to play an accompaniment than it is to play a lead. To create the accompaniment in our next song, we divided our class into groups and gave each group a chord. Then we practiced timing and timing and timing. The next song is a beautiful melody based on a poem written by Christina Rossetti, In the Bleak Midwinter.
I had to put that part in there about the accompaniment being the hard part, because I don't know if any of you noticed, but so far the only thing I've played today is... everything's in 3 so far, except for this one.
In the bleak midwinter, frosty winds may moan. Earth stood hard as iron,
sadly, we only have 3 more songs left, and here to introduce our 3rd grade song are Rose Gold and Z. Please welcome them.
In 3rd grade this fall, students have explored mood. We've been singing spooky songs and sad songs and happy songs and silly songs and excited songs. But the song we're going to sing for you now is not happy or sad. It is happy and sad.
It's funny and melancholy all at once. Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy who's sleeping too for his bed. Nothing seems to fit those raindrops keep falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just didn't listen talking to the sun. I told him I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job, those raindrops keep falling on my head. They keep falling. There's one thing I know: the blues they send to leave me won't defeat me. It won't be long till the happiness comes in to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. The pines are beneath those. I'm not gonna stop the rain by complaining, 'cause I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Great timing for that song. We were only hoping it would rain, and of course it did. We are moving on to our 2nd graders, and with us to introduce the song are Ella and Eva. Please welcome them.
In 2nd grade, students find new voices, like T and Fa. But those are the hard ones because those are closer together than others, like Do and Re. We also explore dynamics. A lot of songs use drums for their loudness. This song uses drums to make the music softer. Our next song, Christmas Time is Here. Children
So we are moving on to our first graders now, and with us to introduce their songs are Clay and Vida. Please welcome them.
In first grade, students discover their voices and the beat. We play guessing games, singing games, hiding games, running games. Games.
Our next song is a traditional Scandinavian song in celebration of the winter solstice. We're going to play a game and see if we can remember all the words and pass out candles. The song is called Santa Lucia.
One more step.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a show, what a show. How wonderful that you could all be here and share this with us. Right now, I would like to just thank our teacher, Aaron, and the folks who helped put the show on, Eric, Andy, Warren, Marga, Ron, and Jody. Thank you so much. a wonderful holiday break, and please pick up your kids and join us at the holiday break, please. If you see the restoration.